Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to this educational session. In today's video, we will be exploring the professional standard and the code of ethics for public accountant, two pillars that ensure professionalism and integrity in the world of public accounting. Okay, development of professional standard for public accountant. The journey of professional standard in Indonesia began in 1970 with the adoption of the norm of accountant examination by the Indonesian Institute of Accountant. This norm covers various aspects of audit such as internal control, evaluation, evidence gathering, and report. By 1999, the committee was restructured and renamed the Public Accountant Professional Standard Board, which is led to a significant habit of standard in when 2001 public state under the Public Accountant Professional Standard. Okay, next, structure of the Public Accountant Standard. The professional standard for public accountant as of January 1, 2001 include 5 key categories. Statement of auditing standard, FSA and EPSA, Statement of Attestation Standard, PSAT and EPSAT, Statement of Accounting and Review Service Standard, PSAR, and EPAR. Statement of Standard on Advisory Service, PSCT, and EPSC. Statement of Quality Control Standard, PSPM, and EPSM. Each of these is accompanied by refined interpretation of the good professional judgment. Next, then auditing standard. Auditing standard different for procedure, while procedure refers to significant steps taken audit standard relate to quality and objective of such procedures. The Indonesian Institute of Certified Public Accountant category the state standard into the group 1. General standard, and 2. Firework standard, and 3. Reporting standard. This standard grades auditor in differing responder and objective auditing work. And next, order of acting for public accountant before 2011, Indonesia Accounting Acting order was mostly by six Congress of the Indonesia Accounting Association and Subscription held in 1994. This Congress put in a comprehensive and promoted enhancing accountability, transparency, and professionalism. Statement of professional ethics. There were segments statement of professional ethics. It's covering a key area of acting of the 5 1. Integrity, objectivity, and independence. 2. Professional competence. And 3. Confidentiality of client information. 4. Public and privacy. And 5. Communication between firms. And 6. Staff and partner transfers. The statement serves and guidance for internal domain is professional practice. And next, principles of professional ethics. The foundation of professional behavior is built on 8 core principles. 1. Professional responsibility, and 2. Public interest, and 3. Integrity, 4. Objectivity, 5. Competence and due care, 6. Confidentiality, 7. professional behavior. 8. Technical standards. 10. Principles are the ethical compass for all public accounting. Okay, Code of Ethics Structure Part A. Part A of the Code of Ethics outlines the basic principles of professional ethics, which is include Section 100 General Principles and Section 110 Integrity and Section 120 Objectivity and Section 130 Competence and Respect and Section 140 Confidentiality and Section 150 Professional Behavior. The section like the integral work experience of our accountants. Code of Ethics Structure Part B. Part B contains more specific and still guidelines include Section 200 Trades and Software, Section 210 Personal Equipment, and Section 220 Conflict of Interest, and Section 130 Section of Finish, and Section 240 Pest and Human Rights, 150 Marketing Professional, 160 Grief and Hospital, 170 Handling Client Asset, 170 object 180 Objectivity in Service, and 109 Independence in Assurance Economy. Together, the section help enhance public trust and stability in the accounting profession. Okay, thank you for joining this session on professional standard and acting for public accountant. Their framework are not just rules; they are commitments to uphold the integrity and reliability of our profession. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.